Good morning, guys. In today's upload, I'm going to show you how to install this tailgate LED strip that I bought for my 1997 Ford F-150, as well as how to wire it to the reverse lights and how to do everything step by step. Enjoy the video. Okay, so to start, what you want to do, you want to drop the tailgate and pull the tailgate off. You don't have to do this, but it does make it a lot easier to get your hands and such in there. So first, what you want to do, if you have one of these, disconnect it from the tailgate. Just let it hang right there. Put the tailgate about halfway up and undo these. Now, what you can do is use a screwdriver, or you can use your fingernail, which either works best for you. Just come off like that. Set that down. Pull this one off as well. Set that down. And then what you gotta do, I can't film this because the tailgate's very heavy, but lift up on this side, and then that side will slide out of the cup, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a second when I get it off. Okay, so once you have that done, what you want to do over here is lift it up out of that groove, grab a hold of it and slide it out of this rotator cup, which you can see here, and the tailgate will come right off. Next, what you want to do is take some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and wipe this down with a clean rag to get everything off of it and make sure the strips will stick good, because if not, they will come off, and that's not good. Yeah, your strips will be flopping going down the road or just whatever. So alright, 1 second. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to go in the cab and turn on the key, and turn on one side or the other, doesn't matter, turn signal. And then go to your strip down here and plug it in to the trailer harness and see which side is illuminating. One side will and one side won't. That's part of the strip. And then what you want to do is you want to route the wiring down the gap between the bumper and the bed right here. Goes all the way across, and plug it into your trailer hitch wiring. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stick, using the 3M double-sided tape, stick it to the bed along here. Where you put it, up or down, it doesn't really matter. It's just personal preference, whether you want to hide it under the tailgate or if you want it to be shown under the tailgate. Alright. Okay, so one quick tip, because I have done a couple of these, is stick them and then peel. Don't peel all of the backing off of the whole strip and try to stick it all at once. It'll stick to each other and it'll just make a big mess. So peel a little bit, stick a little bit, and so on and so forth. Makes it a little bit easier and not as time consuming, and it makes it to where you can do this by yourself in your garage. Now I chose to put mine along this little lip right here, but like I said, you could do it anywhere through here. It doesn't really matter. It's just personal preference. I want mine to be seen under the tailgate. So I'll get this stuck on here, and I'll be back here in just a second to show y'all the finished product. Okay, so after you get it all stuck and the wires fed down through, here is the finished product. It's pretty nice. You can't hardly see it at all. 1 second, I'll turn the lights on. Turn the headlights on. Give y'all a quick look. Yep, there it is. You get turn signals. Here's the driver's side turn signal. And obviously it'd be the same for the passenger side. And brake lights is this without the strobing effect. Okay? Okay, so next I'm going to secure them with these little guys. Some they sell you these, and some they do not. These go over the ends of the strip to make sure that they don't peel. They send you little self-tapping screws to help hold everything together. Okay, so you want to take the little rubber silicone, whatever they are, and stretch over the strip, and they provide you with 2 of these self-tapping screws for each one of them. I'm not going to install one on both sides. I'm just going to do one where the wiring is, because the wiring could possibly pull on the strip and pull it down. But you should probably do one on both sides. I did one on this truck with the old bed before it got painted, and just one on the driver's side where the wiring was. And I didn't have any issues at all. So just kind of keep that in mind. In the next video that I'm going to do, I'm going to wire up the reverse for these. So stay tuned for that. That will be uploaded the day after this video goes live. Thank you for watching. Leave a like. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Please subscribe. Take care. Have a great day. Alright guys, figured I'd throw this little video in here to show how well this tailgate strip matches my Recon LED taillights. Very bright. They do help at night seeing behind you. We throw the truck in reverse. You can see here. Very bright, as well as the Recon tails. Do this. Way the truck doesn't roll backwards. And show y'all the reverse. Now I have projector reverse lights, but I'm sure you get the idea here. Very bright. Go all the way from one side of the tailgate to the other, and really help accent the back of the truck. And also, I don't know if you can see, but it does give a little bit of light inside of the bed at night. Okay, here it is. The finished product. All the way across. Hit reverse. Go back here and check it out. And it's nice at this angle because you can see the reflection off of the bumper, but it does help a lot with shining back for reverse. Now, in tomorrow's upload, I'm going to be installing flush mount LED pods right here and here in the bumper, and wiring them to the reverse lights as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Please like and comment down below and tell me what you think about these. And subscribe and hit that little bell for future notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.